Hello guys, good evening. What's up?
Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Mirajuddin, nice to see you back.
Nice to see you too.
So, what about the progress? Yeah. What about the progress? Have you tried anything discussed in the class?
Little bit.
Little bit. Chalo. At least it's a sign that yeah, you are interested.
I think
Okay.
still
So,
still I know.
yeah, your voice is trembling. You're not audible properly. If
Still nine
please check.
people only.
Yes. Okay. Athira, I think you can make means admit all means I think people are waiting in the waiting room. So every time we need to go view the people who they are and then admit them. Is it possible that we can admit all? They need not means they bypass the lobby. If is it possible? Please check. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me share. Start. I think more than 15 people have joined. If anybody is having any doubt, would want to discuss any concept you have learned, I'm well open, please. You may also use the chat box to write your question. Shija Narayan, Shrigul, Mohammed Suleiman, Abhijit, Jobin, I think he has joined for the first time, if I'm correct. So if I give it a gallery view, yeah, now it's okay. Surya, Abdauji, how are you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm doing good, sir.
You're doing good. So, have you learned from the past classes? Have you tried it yourself?
The previous classes I have tried, yeah. But the
Yeah.
last section I did.
Okay. So, have you received the recording? I believe you must have received the recording. Your internet connection seems slow. Please check. Okay. Who else has joined? Shrigul AS. Are you the first time here? Shrigul AS?
Yes, sir, I am fine.
Okay. You are at the first time. So, what's your expectation from the class?
I have knowledge and experience too.
Okay. Good.
And,
Uh, yeah,
I
because
will.
see, yeah.
Hello?
Follow-ups of the previous classes. So it would be better this class. It would help you rather.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Fine. Okay. More talk is done. Gauri Shankar has joined. So let's start our today's session. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. Invisible.
Okay, thank you. So, right, today we have to see exploratory data analysis. So, this is the thing. My notepad, Google Colab, you are able to see? Yeah. So here we have written exploratory data analysis means certain analysis regarding the data that must be exploratory. Exploratory means widening the things, not contracting the things. So whenever the analysis is concerned, it is two-way round. Whether you want to converge to a point or whether you want to expand to the knowledge database. So see, five of the objectives are being defined, at least EDA, we call it EDA in short. At least the EDA is followed by these five objectives, whereby the first is working with the canvas. So don't worry about the canvas today, because this is a portion of the project which I have completed. So there we used to work with the canvas. Uh, Canvas is usually that you present the things. How does it looks like? The guided projects are available over the Canvas. Actually, it's a learning management system, LMS. So right now at this platform, we are not dealing with any of the LMS kind of thing, because we are directly joined using the Zoom. Else, we would have joined using the third party, or must I say, uh, what's that? Eduwing, using Eduwing LMS, we could have joined, but we are joining with the Zoom link. That's why this Canvas has nothing to do with you. Second is loading a CSV dataset from a URL using pandas.read CSV. So, if you can correlate, you have learned the objective number three. No. Okay, out of these objective two, three, and four, what do you know? Give me the answer.
Up to 3.
Objective 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Objective 3 says, my dear, loading a CSV dataset from a local file using a pandas.read CSV. Okay. So you have although used pandas.read CSV, but mind it, you haven't used the local file. You have uploaded the CSV file and then used as a copy path. Yes or no?
Yes.
What I'm saying, say your local file is available in any file, say folder, must I say the folder. In the folder, if you are supposed to reach it, there are methods to do that. So we would learn a new thing to load a file directly from your browser, sorry, directly from your local machine using the browser and at the platform of this. Means if you remember, we were doing this here, this folder option, and hereby when we were pressing arrow sign, it was uploading the file for a storage session, and soon after we are done with it, it is bygone. But what I'm saying right now, that instead of going to this folder, write a code. Thereby, the code runs, and you select, like, don't you haven't you seen that if you want to upload your resume or CV to upload to any Naukri.com or Indeed or LinkedIn, anywhere, you just press where to upload. The browser opens a local storage or the Google Drive where do you want your file from, and then you upload it to the session or you upload it to the website. That is the thing I'm talking about. Have you done that so before?
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
You have that experience, but you haven't written the code for it.
No.
No, that is the thing we will do right today. Then we will also see that from the URL, mind it. Say, what is this? May I call this portion of text as a URL? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. If it is a URL, I have a privilege to assign it in the code, and it reads the CSV directly from the URL. Isn't it a good thing that you don't even want to download the whole data set? you are simply passing the URL, and all the data set is directly loaded to your Google Colab platform. Interesting or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So these are the things, and definitely we would use the pandas function for doing the analysis portion. We will see that how selective analysis could be done, whether it belongs to data type orientation, whether the data belongs to categorical, quantitative, qualitative, continuous, discrete, or countable, non-countable, such kind of things. So let's start. So I'm just leaving this canvas part because we don't have LMS right now. So I'll start with object 2, loading a data set via its URL. Mind it. So here complete description is being given. No, not to worry. I'll pass this what's called notebook along to you after the session, such that you get a handy run out for the same. So learn as much as you can about the data set. The first line is written. Loading the data set is knowing the number of rows, then the column. Okay, what does the number of rows and columns gives the information about? Anyone? Today I'll ask so many questions to you.
The size of the data.
Say suppose if I'm having 100 rows and 5 column. Am I clear? 100 rows, 5 column. Then what do you understand by that? Like say if I show it to you. Uh, 1 second. Okay. Let me check whether I can use the draw button or no here. Yeah, I think I can. And format the background, page color. It is fine. And I can use, which color should I? I think white is good, but I'm not able to find the white. Where is the white? Okay, no worries. Let's choose it. Okay, we have the white. We don't have the white color. No, don't have. Let me use it. If does it work or no? Okay, it's good. So say what I'm saying. Say you have a feature one, feature two, and 5 features are there, and you had 100 to 99 rows. What do you understand by this? Give me a very logical, simple answer. Yes, guys. Anyone? The first answer somebody has given, we can check the shape of the data set. Shape, or must I say size? Somebody has told size. So size could be given by, if you go for mathematical multiplication, it goes 100 times 5. So it becomes 500 entries. May I say 500 entries are there?
Yes.
But how to get at, how to retrieve this particular thing, you must write, you have to write, like if your data frame has the name df, so you have to write df dot shape, then only you would be able to get it through. But what I'm asking, what do you mean by that you having 100 rows and 5 columns? Do you consider it a small data set, medium data set, or a large data set?
Small.
Okay, you consider it as a small data set. Let me write it. So to inquire, to put an inquiry for a small data set, I think it must not be a big task to you to have an inquiry for the small data set. Inquiry must be easy. with respect to, say, you had 117 columns. 117 columns. It is easier to know 5 columns or 10 columns or 15 columns, and out of that knowing which are the important columns. Usually when we have a small data set or less number of features or columns, to what should I call, we hardly remove any of the column, we hardly remove any of the features, because there are very few features in the raw stage only. How could we remove the features if because see, if you remove any of the feature here, say if you remove feature F4, if you have removed it, in that situation, this feature, whatever it might be adding to the model, machine learning model, that model won't be able to learn the characteristics of the whole thing based what which was being attributed by feature 4. Like suppose feature 4 belongs to gender. Gender means male female for the time being. So if you want to do the analysis that how many services, means the proportion of the services was done, and for this proportion how many were the males, and you don't have that feature, you won't be able to grasp and the target your market based upon the gender. That you would never know whether your whether the males are more interested in this feature or females are more interested in this feature. So when a recommendation system runs, as far your what should I call, your sponsors or your stakeholder who have given you to analyze the thing, then they would never be able to know that whom they should target to. Are you getting what I'm saying? They would be targeting to anybody. If it is known whether it's a male or a female or a transgender or anybody else, they would be specifically filling the form, survey form. Sooner they find that this is a male, and male loves this particular services, it is more likely that the service is purchased. Make sense? Guys, please mute yourself if you are talking. Who has not muted? Please mute yourself if you are talking at home. Please, thank you. Rashid, please mute. Yeah. See, it creates disturbance when we are with the so many people. Okay. So where were I? Yes, here. So exploration. So number of rows says how many entries are being done. Number of columns says how many features we have, based upon which the decision has to be taken. So number of rows is actually giving us the data, whereby the number of column is deciding on what basis the data has to come. है ना? Suppose I go and if I ask you that Narayan, go and collect the data, you will say which data? Then I'll say, okay, go and collect the movie reviews. You will say which movie? Then I'll say Bollywood movie. Which genre? है ना? This is the type of questions you would ask me. So number of columns actually signify the features, that yeah, these are the features based upon which we have to fetch the data. Either you get from the first party data, second party data, or you web scrap the data. Web scraping shall be dealt with you after around 4 to 5 classes, that how do we web scrap, how do we run the code such that it automatically fetch the data, but that must be legal. You know, we should do every legal thing which is available, which could be done ethically. Then column headers. Column headers means what are the columns signified by? The title of the columns. Is there a data dictionary? We will see that what is the data dictionary is there. Okay, what command is to be written to find whether there is a missing data or no? Guys, what command do you write for this? Is there a missing data? What command do you write? You have to answer. See, If you won't answer, I won't move ahead, because I'm not here simply to deliver and means complete a lecture. I'm here to allow to make the learning happen. Yes. What command do you write? Yes, yes, please, please. Somebody is saying.
Data plus.
No, you have to give me a command, syntax.
MICR.
No, no, no. That is a missing data. See, knowing the missing data and the type of missing data is MACR. Okay. But I'm saying, what is the syntax do you write? Like, let me give you an example. Like here, you write the syntax df dot head. So this gives you the answer for first 5 rows of the data frame. This is the syntax for it. Yes or no? This is the syntax. So I am asking you, what's the syntax for missing data? How to check whether in your data set or in your data frame there are missing data, missing values. Is my questions clear? Is my question clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. So get me the answer. Come, assuming that the name of your data frame is df, what should you write after this?
DF dot data frame.
No, data frame. See, I think you are Alois. No, your good name. I just forgot.
df dot null.
Yeah, something regarding null. Now somebody has come to the track.
Yes.
Well, mind it, you have to ask. Ask means question mark. So when you say, yeah, just listen. When you say this is null, okay, this is null. Then you give a full stop. Now you have to ask, is this null? So now you give a question mark.
Yes.
So you are asking to the data frame, give me the null values. So shouldn't you write is null? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Then you have one more expression. Please get me that. In spite of null, you need to just replace this null by something else. Please, quick. You are about to write this. You are about to say it is in your epiglottis. Please remember it.
Print.
No. Okay. Whenever you go for seeking the missing value, when you are searching the missing value, what are the things you seek? What are the things you search for? One second, my this is not working.
If there is data in the set or not.
If the data is true,
Yeah, yes. There is a no, 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 not true. Now we are about to ask whether there is a data or there is no data. One second, guys. Just keep talking. I think my screen is hanged. So all the processes happens by itself and it comes to the normal position. Yeah. In the meanwhile, we can chat. Yeah, please. Now mind it. Previously, you were asking for null. So it means in the missing values, I think my video is visible to you. Is my
No.
video visible?
Not
No.
clear.
No, screen
No?
visible.
Only the word
Okay,
page is
screen visible. Okay. Yeah, it is hanged. I don't know why. I need to seek it through. 1 second. Even it is not working for, it means any, it is not taking any command. Okay. If I go for, I think my video must be damn visible. Video should not be hanged because right now we are able to listen to each other. We are talking in synchronism. So I believe the video must be at par. Yes or no?
No, sir. Your video is,
No.
I think it's stuck, and your voice is also breaking up.
no, your video is not visible. Only we can see the black screen.
Okay. Yeah, even I'm not able to write anything. No, just give me. Even it's not coming at a, what may I call. Uh, it's not responding anyways. I can't even downsize the screen to see what's happening behind. And you won't believe that this is a Windows 11 and it's a very 16 GB RAM and still it happened.
Maybe the system is slow from your side.
Maybe the network is slow.
No, it has nothing to do with network, my dear. It has. Do you think that the system hanging has to be do anything with the network?
Yeah, nothing to do
What's-
because we can clearly talk.
Yes. What did you say?
We can clearly talk. If the
Yeah.
net
We can
problem,
hear
we
you,
can't
but we
talk.
cannot see you.
Yeah. Now you can see me.
No, I can't see you clearly.
You can see, but it is blurred, not clear.
Yeah, I understood. So, guys, just give me 2 minutes. Let me switch it off and rejoin. Okay, be there in the class.
Okay.
Okay.
Copy that.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Am I audible and visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Muzambil, Mokiana, Gwina, Zobin, Dinesh, Pilani. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Just give me a nod. I think I'm well. Yes, no. Give me a nod. Shrigul, am I audible and visible clearly? Muzammil,
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you are
Audible.
audible.
Yes, you are visible.
Please give me answer yes or no. Either you may write answer in a chat box also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, you are
Audible, sir.
visible.
Guna is saying okay, fine. Just somebody utter something via unmuting
Yes, for
himself.
both of me. Thank you. Both I can hear, I can see clearly.
I am not able to listen to you. Okay, Abdauji, I believe that you are saying I am loud and clear, but I don't to listen to you. Yeah, now I think it's fine. Somebody please speak. Yeah,
Okay,
Shibul.
sir.
Yeah, Shibul. Done. Good. Please mute yourself. Thank you. Thank you. So let me reshare the screen. And here we go. Visible screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was here, my dear. What I said that how would you come to know that you have to see the missing values? That is df dot is na. One is null. Second is na. Do you recall? Are you able to recall that?
I didn't get it clear. Null and what?
Is na. Let me write it here.
NE.
Is na. Let me uh, try to write it here. Say if I'm coding here, I'll write df dot is na. This one. Fine.
Good.
Done or no? Yeah, this is what. Na means not applicable, where the NAs are filled, where there is nothing is available. See, there are two kinds of missing value. One, it's actually missing, there is nothing that could be seen from the naked eyes. Second, there is written a null. Third, there is written an NA. So you have to ask the system. So see, the first EDA is, this is the link URL. What is this URL? This URL is already available somewhere. Let's check. I'm copying it and I'm making it available to you and pressing it out. See, this URL is actually containing the data. Yes or no? See guys, are you able to see? This contains a data, but it has no meaning right now. So it's your task to find the meaning out of it. So let me run it. Sooner it is being run, it means now attempt has been done to load the URL, but this URL is only being stored in an object called flag data URL. It is only stored in the object. Right now nothing has happened. The data address is copied to the flag data URLs, and see, it is written here. Right click on the link to dataset and say copy link address such that you can move to the dataset. And you may directly, you could have given here also a URL, but we usually give the path. But this path is being stored in the object now, so we are giving the value of the object, name of the object, must I say. So import pandas as pd as previous we have already done. Pd dot read csv. So if this would not have been this, what it could have been, guys? Any idea? You have already done this. Inside csv, what should I put?
File name.
Yeah, I have to put the copy path. I have to put the path of the copy. So the path has already been stored in this. See, once either you do this, see, or mind it, guys, please mute yourself. Control C. Else you do this, but mark it in a quotation. Done. And if you run it, see, still it is being run, and you can see your data set. See, this is the data set. So have you learnt it? How to use the URL to read your file in a CSV form. Mind it, in a CSV form. But there is one thing which you must check. What is quite abrupt in this data set? What is abrupt? What is one thing which you don't expect from this data set? Get me the answer. Fast. See, these are the index number, that 186, 192. See, I have printed the tail. I have not printed the head. If you would have printed the head, the scenario would be different. Say if I print the head here, I'll print it, and the answer is this. But what does the first row indicate? Guys, what does the first row indicate?
Alphabetic.
It is indicating the cities of Afghanistan. Guys,
No, it's indicating countries.
countries, Afghanistan, in Afghanistan. Then what are the other columns are indicating? Do you have any information that what other columns are indicating?
No.
No, because all the columns are not a string, neither an object. They are a number. Can number give any information about what the data is all about? I don't think. So your first liability or first responsibility is to convert or to fetch your data in the form. It must have a proper labeling of the column. Yes or no? Do you agree, all of you?
Yes.
Yes. So you have a 30 column. So you need 30 features. See here, 30 columns. So 30 features are there. So this is again to find the head, to find the tail. No need to reprint again. This is repeated. Okay. What went wrong? Here somebody tried to reach the rows, but there is no any function or there is no method to reach a specific row, unless until means there is no such a function called rows or an attribute called rows which gives you anything worthy. It doesn't understand rows, dot rows. Okay, that's the reason I have generously, intentionally put it here, that dot rows means nothing. If you put the df, see here the df is flag data set. Mind it, I have changed the name. Now every time you won't find the df as a data frame, you may have a different name. Yes or no? So always try to accommodate that what is the name given. So flag dataset is the name of the data frame, dot rows, which says there is no such attribute called rows. देखिए, data frame object has no attribute rows. Fine. Let's check column. Does it has any attribute columns? Yes, it has an attribute column. Yes or no? See, can you see?
Yes, sir.
So it has an attribute column because the columns could be visibly seen in a given set of memory or in a given space at your console. But rows could be 50,000, 20 lakhs, 1 crores. How would the your console would be able to show 1 crore row? That's the reason. Then, see, it is saying keep again, try to go for Google. See, I have added it such that you must understand if you are stuck somewhere what to do next. Then your responsibility is to give a name to the column's header. So I have taken an object column header and see what happened. I have written a name, landmass, zone, area, population, language, religion, bars, stripes, colors, name of the colors they use: red, green, and blue, gold, white, black, orange, and other features as well. So these are how many features it should be? Anyone? A very straight answer I need. How many features they should be in total? Guys, how many features do I need here? In column, how many features are there? Check here. How many features? See, give me the answer.
30.
30. So you must have 30 feature name, yes or no?
Yes.
So 30, to have a 30 feature name, you must add 30 names to here. So that's the reason 30 features are added. And features are nothing but a name of a person, place, or thing. Then after running it, mind it, there is a slight change has happened with the previous thing. See, previously you were having a pd.read.csv, a direct URL. Yes or no? See here, a direct URL. There was no column header added. Now, after defining the column header, we have given a comma. Can you see here, comma,
Yes.
and names equal to columns header, such that the when the data frame is printed like anything, it must be printed with these column headers, which you have successfully given it to. These are column headers. Let's check. So have you understood what is being done here? And now you can see what's your dot head. Is it applied or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now does it makes more sense or no? Yes, it is making more sense because previously only the country name were only available. Although everything is available, but we didn't know what is that. Now you can say it is a land mass. You can say it's a, you can say now area. Still, we don't know this area is in square feet or square yards. The population are in 16. 16 means 16, or they are in thousands or millions. है ना? So it is yet to be decided. Let's see. These are the missing values. Can you see missing values? 0 0 0 0 0 0. Actually, they are, we do not directly call them a missing value, but when we have a zeros, we consider them as a missing value. And such a matrix is called a sparse matrix. Please note, such a matrix where maximum numbers are zero, what do we call it? A sparse matrix. Sparse means having maximum entries as zero. Now you have to load a data set from a local file, what I was talking to just now. Is it understood by this point, all of you? Should I move
Yes.
ahead? Yeah, thank you.
Yes, please.
Yes, yes. Now, loading the data set from a local file. Now you see how to do it. Local file means we say there's a command, please note it down, from google.collab means you are reaching the Google, you are reaching the collab version of the Google, that's Google Collab, asking it to import files means asking it the permission to import a file, and files is itself a module here. Like you go for import pandas, similarly here you're going for from google.collab import files. Like if you remember from our machine learning experience, there you used to write from sklearn, from sklearn import linear regression, है ना? From sklearn import linear regression. That's a classifier. So likewise, we are seeking the correct path, that where from, says if I directly write the import files, and if I do not write from Google Colab, it might not be able to do that. Let's check. Should I? See, if I run it, see, it has now started giving the yellow sign. Means it doesn't understand what is file. Let's run it. See, the error has come. No module name file. It doesn't know where the file is, who the file is, what the file is. But you give it a path, sooner you give it a path, it understand where I have to fetch the file from. See, now it is asking you to please choose the file. All of you, attention here. It is asking you to choose the file. Unless guys, mute yourself. Unless until you choose the file, it won't let you move ahead. So upload equal to files.upload. Choose a file. Say if I am choosing a file, so I'm choosing a file. Say job here. Job here. So this job.csv is uploaded. Can you see the beauty? I have not used this particular thing here. See, I have not used this particular thing, although it will come to this place, but I have not used that. Is the difference understood by you or no?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. So good. I've given a name Disney. It was previously given, so I thought of not changing it right now because it's everywhere. I need to change it. So let's see what does it looks like. So Disney has loaded the file job.csv. See, this command, mind it guys, this command is to load the file locally to the Google Colab. Locally to the Google Colab. You can see. Let me do it again for you. See, I am removing it for the time being. Again, I am deleting this file. Okay, in front of you it is deleted. Now I'll run it to choose a file. So now I'll choose a file. I'll choose a job here. I'll open it and see, sooner it is uploaded here, the job CSV shall also be reflected in the corridor also. Please have a look. But where is the file? Oh my God. Can anybody suggest me where is the file? It is not getting located here. Yes, guys, where is the file?
The local drive.
No, but it must be visible here. I need to refresh it. See?
Yes.
So in this point of time, you might feel, oh my God, sir has told us that there the file appears, but there is no file. Please refresh it. The file will appear.
Hmm.
Yes. So now to check, job CSV has come. What's the shape of it? Shape means how many rows, how many columns. So how many columns are there out of this? Guys, how many columns?
Zero.
Seven. There's a seven columns. Seven columns. See here. It indicates row, comma, column. Yes or no? Row, comma, column. Seven columns. If you see its head, this is how it looks like. It says the job title, the company name, the location it is located, the start date, they have to start immediately, or say this is a kind of data which we have fetched from directly, say Indeed, LinkedIn, or other recruiting firms. So whereby such postings have happened. So 3 days ago, this job title of business development associate is posted. Company name is break the code. Location is they want the guy to start from Mumbai, and CTC is offered is 2 lakhs to 3 lakh per month. It is all per month, and experience required is 0 to 1 year. Don't you think it's a fantastic data to find your choice of thing? Yes or no? What would happen if you are required to create this data, guys? Any answer? What would have happened if you are required to create this data using Excel? Won't it be a hectic task to you? Just be communicative. Say yes or no, or say I don't know.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Deepak, I just want to know that Google from Google.collabs import files, yes, on that 17 seconds ago, and in the bottom, for after the files uploaded equals to files, that one has to be in bottom or it can be right next to that files
Where this one?
from Google from
Okay,
52.
okay. Here, na?
Yes,
But where the 52 is written?
50. It's 52. The one you hold above that one.
Acha, 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 acha. The file. Okay. See, you can also clear the output. It won't be visible to you.
No, I tried go from Google.collabs import file.
Okay.
I didn't write uploaded equals to file dot upload.
Okay.
So it has to be in the bottom line or it can be in the one line.
No, it has to be in the bottom line. It can't be in the one line.
Okay.
Mind it. See, it is how does it interpret? Good question. How does it interpret? It will import this file from google.collab. After importing it, you are uploading something and storing it in an object having the name uploaded. See here. This is the object uploaded, which is storing the file, and you are using the Python command that is files.upload. Okay, so you are asking the user to upload it.
Yeah, now okay. Right.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So this is the data we get it from, but this is again data as entered, but now it is your stake, your choice, how to balance the data, how to get information from the data, what are the EDA to be done. Then comes a basic pandas function for exploratory data analysis. There's few of the things we have already seen. I'll go through it in a quick way. Like you write disney.info, it will give you all the answers. See, if you write disney.info, Disney is again a data frame, mind it, name of the data frame. So it will give you seven seven features, and all the features are having 4596 entries which are not null. It means, is there a missing data? Yes or no? Is there a missing data in your data frame? Yes or no? Give me an answer. What are you doing?
Yes.
Okay, so where is it? I think soon after it we must see. If you are saying that there is a missing data, let me write Disney dot is null. Yes or no? Let me run it. See, all the
Yes.
nulls are false. Or suppose you might say, Deepak, here the missing value must have null values here where the dots are given. To understand that, you can write dot sum and it will give you an answer. See, so can you see all the features having zero null data, zero, because the sum is zero. Are you able to get it through what I write?
Yes, sir. There is no missing data.
There is no missing data. Sure. Then I'm more interested to, okay, you may also do is null or is NA, both, no worries. As I have discussed, is NA and run it, and it will see zero, no missing data
Yes.
in any column. So is null and is NA, they both behaves equivalently. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Learn more about each variable. So you have to see what is the type of the variable. Data type. Data type means whether it's integer, float, double, object, string. So all are objects. None of them is integer. Why? Because either everything is quoted in a double quote or it is a data timestamp. Let's see. See here. If I go and again check code, I'll write Disney dot, what should I write? Disney dot, what I was supposed to give you the okay, let me write Disney only. It will give you the complete thing. See, everything is string, and here values are there, but mind it, these values are along with these special characters, are rupees, special characters. These are with along with the string. So such things which are not a pure number is considered as what? Is considered as object. And you see here in the CTC, not all the values are what is called numbers. Few of the values are string. Competitive salary means they are not directly giving you a regular picture that what they are offering to for the given post. Yes or no? That's the
Yes.
reason it is considering it as an object. If you go for statistics, I'll consider it a bit late. Disney dot describe, you know na, this function Disney dot describe, it gives the statistical information. So see, this is the statistical information of all the column 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and count these many job titles are there, for more than 4,500 job titles are there. Unique are 1767, only 1767 are unique, rest are repetitive. Top top job title is business development executive, and see, it is also giving you work from home or location and the information about it. Frequency, yeah, frequency means that there are 290 times things are uh, occurring regularly. Company name 141 are frequent. 791 means say Mumbai, if it Mumbai is coming location. So it is 791 times. Start date is again 4596. Start dates are there. Means how many times it is occurring. This is the meaning. So here as written, include equal to number. So sooner you give the bracket, inside the bracket include equals to number, it won't give you anything because it cannot concatenate numbers and string. Can you see? Numbers and string, because anything inside is not an integer. Can you see here? This is not an integer, all are object. So you are asking include only number. So if there is no number, what to include? Nothing. So here, if suppose if this would have only been number, then only this would have been included. But it also contains the object also, string. Hence, it cannot be included. That's the reason it say no objects to concatenate. But sooner you say exclude a number. Mind it. Exclude means non-numeric columns. It will execute everything because they all are non-numeric columns. None of them is a pure numeric column. Must I say pure numeric column? Are you able to get it through what we are running through, what we are learning here? So
Yes,
you
sir.
can give, actually these are called filters. If I write it here, these are called filters. Sooner you, it's needless to write include all, needless to write. Even if you don't say include all, it was giving the previous answer only. So now there's a time, say if you want to access a specific column in your data frame, say I want to ask, in spite of CTC, I have written here, say if I write, I want to see how many job titles are available to it. So job title, I want to see job title. So it will show these many job titles are available. Okay. Another way to access it, I can also write this way. Disney dot job title, suppose. It will give me the list. These are the job titles. But say I want to see, these are the sort by value. Sort by value means you choose a column, say CTC and job title, and based upon that column, it starts from say ascending order. It increases over the time. So based upon CTC and job title, see this is the first, and see this is the 2572 entry. 2500 entry is the first in the sort values. Why? Because the CTC is the lowest here. Are you able to get the gist? What's happening? Based upon the CTC, we are asking sort it. If I ask you to sort any given array, you will start from lower number and you keep on increasing the number to the highest one. Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
yes, yes. So here, this is the lowest number and it has started increasing it, and that's the reason first it under chosen CTC, because yes, it is a numerical thing. Sorting happens over numerical. If there is no numerical, it will happen over alphabet. Okay,
Okay.
that's the thing. So then we can count that how many unique counts have available for anything. Say job title business development executive. 290 job titles are there. 290 counts are there for this. It means there are 290 vacancies for this job title. Yes or no?
Yes. 290.
So don't you think that the exploratory data analysis has made your life easier if you are not using the Excel? And mind it, over 1 million rows, you can't use Excel. Somebody is listening to old songs, enjoying the class. Eh? So take it very seriously that, yeah, you can do many things. See, you want to see the CTC here, it will give you the value count of the CTC. The range of 2 lakh to 3 lakh per month in a salary is 520. There are 520 jobs which are paying you 2 lakh rupees. Isn't it easier to filter it and apply for the same?
Yes.
To true means we have normalized it such that we can give it to machine learning. We give the value between 0 to 1 or minus, such that the higher values must not produce a bias in the system. Guys, do you understand what did I say just now?
Please
Normalized
repeat, it
equal
was
to.
breaking.
I I said, see here, the value, let me do it again for you guys. Values of CTC were this 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh, 1 lakh. normalization had made value between 0 to yes or no? See this column 0 to 1.
Your voice is
0
breaking.
to 1. Can you see? Constrained within 0 to 1. This is what I have done. I have completed it.
Sir, your
So
voice not
df
clear.
dot had again you knew it thing. See, yeah, literally. Is it now? Not yet. Hello. Isn't it clear yet?
No, sir, no, not clear. Your voice.
1 second. 1 second. Let me check my
Okay.
connection.
Okay.
Now what do you say? Better
Okay.
from better?
Better. Now better.
Yeah. So this is how we can do the things. This is one more thing. See, if you want to drop something, drop means drop it forever. So say if I say df dot drop here, uh, if I say df dot drop 1 here, likewise, suppose. So see what I have done. Can you see that? Can you see? I have dropped a column or a row. Give me an answer. Have I dropped a column or a row?
Raw.
Row. You can see all the columns are here, but only the first row is being dropped. I can
Hmm.
drop the rows directly writing the index number of the row. But while dropping a column, you need to specify axis equals to 1. Axis, because this axis indicates that you are dropping a column. Okay, see here written here. So sooner I run it, and I also check for my data frame df. Let's see whether it's been dropped or no. See, posted has been dropped. Yes or no? The
Yes.
last column is dropped. So whenever you want to drop something from a column, you have to write axis equals to 1. But when you want to drop a row, you must directly give the row number. Or say if you write x is equal to 0, suppose x is equals to 0,
0.
and you run it. Suppose if you have done it, see the error has come. No found axis, because there is no axis in the row. That is the thing it is being written. So always write x is equals to 1 for column, and for row it is directly being written. 1 second. Let me run it. Then only it will be okay. Why the error has come in the
Excuse me.
yes.
When you say axis is equal to 1, so in the
Hmm.
column we have so many columns. So which column it will remove?
See, it is given a name, sir. Posted. This is the name of the column.
Ah, okay, okay.
है ना? And now see, I am trying to run it again. It is not, it is giving me an error because now there is no column, no such column. And why it is doing so? Because of this command. This command is saying in place equals to true. When you write in place equals to true, it will delete the thing permanently. Understood? Whenever
Yes.
you write in place equal to true, it will delete it permanently. It won't be, you won't be able to find it again. So again, say suppose I
Sorry,
have to start from here. See, I have to
you
start
mean
from
it?
here.
Excuse
Yes,
me. You mean it will delete from the file itself?
yes, it will be deleted from the file, not at the local machine, but while doing the analysis, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay, na? Says you have uploaded here, and after uploading you are removing a column because you think that it is no longer fruitful to you, so you have removed the column. But if you have written in place equal to true, it will be removed from the memory also, but it will be saved in the file which is saved in your local machine somewhere. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. So this is your learning, I think so. है ना? So it is my humble request that please go through these functions: df dot shape, head, data type, describe, numeric, non-numeric, columns, value count, sum of sum, then drop. Dropping means both column and rows. So have you found this analysis fruitful, learnable?
Yes, but we need to practice it.
Yeah, you have to say this, I can't do it for you. So guys, please come to the screen. Let me take the beautiful pictures of all of us such that I can make a memory out of it. Better, somebody is saying better. Okay. Now at this time all are okay. Rest of the time things are not good. Fine. Okay, Shrigul looking nice. Arun has joined for the first time. Gauri Shankar is as humorous, as beautiful as always. Jan Mathai, want to say anything? You seems curious today.
Yeah, actually, it is interesting, and I want to learn, but I need to practice. And even my Google Drive, it is full, so I need to first delete it and make space.
Please, sir, please. Else, purchase a subscription of 30 rupees per month from the Google one.
Yeah, sure, sure, okay.
Okay, guys, please thumbs up. Being in the very happy mood. I think we all are enjoying it. So I have taken a print screen. Thank you so much. And anything else from my end, if you wish to have your feedback, your communication. Jobin, want to say anything? Shrigul, how did you like the class today? Please unmute yourself and speak. Unmute yourself.
Sir, I'm the first time in class.
Okay, sorry. I asked, how did you like the class today? Was it fruitful? Have you learned? Have you understood a bit?
Oh, sir, good.
Okay. It's not good?
Is it good?
Good,
Okay,
good.
okay, thank you. Okay, so I thought, oh my God, so much efforts, still nothing. Jobin, what do you say?
Okay.
Good, good. To be practiced.
Okay, so yeah, you have to practice, buddy. So unless until you practice, even neither God can help. है ना? So it's my humble request. I'll share these files with Athira. She will share along with the what's called this classes links. So all the very best. We will meet again the next Sunday. Goodbye. Take care.
Okay.